start again. It's a redskin.
What if I told you there's a drone that shoots fire, a watch that can hack Wi-Fi, and a car key that doubles as a stun gun? These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. They're real gadgets that were once sold on Amazon, but they were so dangerous, illegal, or controversial that they got banned. Today, we're counting down the top 50 banned gadgets on Amazon. From spy cameras to electromagnetic weapons, you won't believe what made the list, especially number 1. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wild world of forbidden tech. Number 50, Cyper Pro. A powerful console designed for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. However, its advanced coding capabilities made it attractive to cybercriminals for illegal hacking and system manipulation, leading Amazon to ban this controversial device. Number 49, FlashTorch Mini. This high-intensity flashlight can reach extreme temperatures, lighting paper and plastic on fire. While innovative for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists, its potential for accidental burns and arson led Amazon to remove it from their platform. Number 48, Grimberg FSC Carbine. A non-lethal projectile launcher designed for law enforcement training and self-defense. Its realistic appearance and ability to fire rubber rounds at high velocity raised safety concerns, resulting in a ban from Amazon's marketplace. Number 47, K09 Coil Gun. Using electromagnetic force to launch metal projectiles without gunpowder, the K09 Coil Gun became a silent and deadly weapon. Amazon banned it due to its potential use in criminal activities and lack of regulation. Number 46, Cryptex USB Flash Drive. Inspired by Da Vinci's Cryptex, this USB drive requires a secret code for access. Despite its innovative security features, it was banned due to its use in hiding illegal files and sensitive data. Number 45, Wasp Drone Flamethrower. A drone equipped with a working flamethrower capable of starting controlled burns and clearing debris. However, its potential for arson and destruction led Amazon to remove it from their platform for public safety reasons. Number 44, Hammer XT Slingbow. This hybrid between a slingshot and a bow can launch arrows with deadly accuracy. Its compact design and powerful force made it a dangerous concealed weapon, leading Amazon to restrict its sale. Number 43, UR112. Aggregat watch, a luxury watch with hidden GPS tracking and audio recording capabilities. Despite its elegant design, Amazon banned it due to privacy violations and potential use in illegal surveillance and stalking. Number 42, Convertible Push Dagger. A concealed self-defense weapon that transforms from a compact tool into a lethal dagger. Its ease of concealment and potential for criminal use forced Amazon to remove it from their store. Number 41, AEA Zeus Air Rifle. Known as the most powerful air rifle in the world, the AEA Zeus can take down large game. Its extreme power and ability to cause fatal injuries led Amazon to ban it from public purchase. Number 40, Emergency Multi-Tool. A versatile gadget featuring a glass breaker, fire starter, and hidden blade. While useful in emergencies, its inclusion of restricted tools and potential for illegal use resulted in its removal from Amazon's marketplace. Number 39, Medieval Mace War Club. A spiked weapon from ancient warfare capable of crushing bones and armor. Though marketed as a collector's item, its potential for violence and injury led Amazon to ban it from being sold online. Number 38, Arc Flash Labs EMG-02. An advanced electromagnetic gun that fires metal projectiles without gunpowder. This futuristic weapon was banned due to its silent operation and potential to be used in criminal activities without detection. Number 37, A1R Power Bank. A compressed air-powered portable device charger and tool power source. Its high-pressure design posed risks of explosion and injury, leading Amazon to ban this innovative yet hazardous product. Number 36, Self-Cocking Crossbow Pistol. a compact and rapid-firing crossbow with deadly precision. Marketed for hunting and self-defense, its ease of concealment and potential misuse as a weapon led to Amazon removing it from their platform. Number 35, XM42 Light Flamethrower, a handheld flamethrower that can shoot flames over 30 feet. While used for controlled burns, its potential for arson and destruction forced Amazon to ban this extreme device. Number 34, Grao Pro Lifter 20, a powerful suction tool used to lift heavy objects and glass panels. However, its misuse in breaking into locked doors and restricted areas resulted in Amazon banning it from their store. Number 33, Brass Knuckles, a metal tool designed to enhance punches and cause serious damage. Its connection to street violence and illegal self-defense activities made Amazon prohibit its sale on their platform. Number 32, FX Ranchero Arrow Pistol, an air-powered pistol that shoots arrows with precision. While popular for hunting and target practice, its potential for stealth attacks led Amazon to ban it due to safety concerns. Number 31, Air Wedge Bag Bump, an inflatable tool used to create gaps in car doors or windows. Originally designed for locksmiths, it was banned due to its misuse in vehicle theft and unauthorized entry. Number 30, Razor Whip Chain, a flexible metal whip with razor-sharp edges capable of slicing through objects. Its extreme lethality and potential for violence forced Amazon to remove it from their platform. Number 29, PB-4SPOSA Pistol, a compact pistol that fires non-lethal pepper balls and flashbang rounds. Amazon banned it due to its resemblance to firearms and potential misuse in riots and protests. Number 28, GoFindMe GPS Tracker, a small tracking device used for monitoring people and valuables in real time. Banned due to its potential for stalking and privacy violations. Number 27, Electrified Door Knob Lock, a doorknob that delivers an electric shock to anyone trying to break in. Amazon banned it due to safety hazards and the risk of causing harm to innocent people. Number 26, Arcus Aerostar Pistol, a powerful air pistol with high accuracy and deadly force. Its realistic design and potential for harm forced Amazon to restrict its sale. Number 25, Evo Duster, a high-pressure air duster used to clean electronics. However, its misuse as an inhalant for recreational drug abuse led Amazon to ban it. Number 24, Electric Taser Stun Glove, a glove capable of delivering a powerful electric shock with just a touch. Amazon removed it due to its potential for violent assaults and harm. Number 23, Grappling Hook Web Shooter, a wrist-mounted grappling hook launcher inspired by Spider-Man. While fun, its potential for illegal entry and escape led Amazon to ban it. Number 22, Fith Ops Perimeter Trip Alarm, a device that triggers a loud explosion when someone crosses a tripwire. Banned due to safety hazards and potential use in booby traps. Number 21, Munio Self-Defense Keychain, a compact self-defense keychain designed to strike attackers. Although effective for protection, its potential to cause serious injuries led Amazon to ban it. Number 20, Flame Drone. At number 20, we have the Flame Drone, a drone that shoots fire. Originally designed for controlled burns and cinematic effects, this gadget was simply too dangerous for the average user. Imagine this thing falling into the wrong hands. Amazon had no choice but to pull the plug on this fiery beast. Number 19, Pepper Blaster 2. Next up at number 19 is the Pepper Blaster 2. Unlike traditional pepper spray, this device shoots a high-velocity burst of pepper solution up to 13 feet. While it's great for self-defense, its power and potential for harm made it too risky for Amazon to keep selling. Number 18, A1R Precision Device. At number 18, we have the A1R Precision Device, a high-tech tool designed for industrial use. Its advanced AI and high-speed processing made it capable of performing intricate tasks, but the potential for misuse and security risks led to its ban. Number 17. EMG-02 CoilGun. Coming in at number 17 is the EMG-02 CoilGun. This futuristic weapon uses electromagnetic force to fire metal projectiles without gunpowder. While it's a marvel of engineering, its classification as a weapon made it illegal on Amazon. Number 16. Razor Whip Chain. At number 16, we have the Razor Whip Chain, a flexible yet deadly weapon that slices through anything in its path. While it might belong in an action movie, Amazon deemed it too dangerous for real-life use. Number 15. Defender Tech Fog Cannon. Number 15 is the Defender Tech Fog Cannon, a security device that fills a room with thick fog to disorient intruders. Although it sounds like an effective security measure, its potential for abuse led to its removal from Amazon. Number 14. Spy Glasses. At number 14, we have spy glasses, stylish eyewear equipped with a hidden camera. Perfect for covert recordings, but a major privacy violation. These were banned from Amazon to prevent illegal surveillance. Number 13. Hero 2020. Next up at number 13 is the Hero 2020, a non-lethal self-defense device that shoots high-impact projectiles filled with pepper irritant. Effective but too powerful for public sale, Amazon decided to ban it. Number 12. Car Key Stun Gun. At number 12, we have the Car Key Stun Gun, a compact self-defense tool disguised as a car key. While great for personal protection, its concealed nature and potential for misuse got it banned. Number 11. Ring Knife. Number 11 is the Ring Knife, a concealed blade worn like a ring. Its sleek and discreet design made it a potential weapon, leading Amazon to pull it from the market. Number 10. High-Frequency Sound Emitter. At number 10, we have the High-Frequency Sound Emitter, a device capable of emitting sounds that can cause discomfort or even nausea. Although marketed as a pest repellent, its potential to harass people led to its ban. Number 9. Mercury Rise TR50. Coming in at number 9 is the Mercury Rise TR50, a high-powered CO2 revolver. Marketed for target practice, its realistic design and potential for harm forced Amazon to remove it. Number 8. Protect 1206 Eye Detector. At number 8, we have the Protect 1206 Eye Detector, a device that uncovers hidden cameras and listening devices. While useful for security, its potential for illegal counter-surveillance led to its ban. Number 7. Creative XP Night Vision Goggles. Number 7 is the Creative XP Night Vision Goggles, which allow you to see in complete darkness. Great for adventures, but its potential for spying and covert surveillance resulted in its removal from Amazon. Number 6. Mission Darkness Faraday Bag. At number 6, we have the Mission Darkness Faraday Bag, a signal-blocking bag that protects devices from hacking and tracking. While effective for privacy, its potential for illegal activities got it banned. Number 5. Pulsefire Flamethrower. Next up at number 5 is the Pulsefire Flamethrower, a handheld device that shoots flames over 25 feet. Though useful for controlled burns, it's far too dangerous for public sale. Number 4. Deotherwatch DS-Tyke. At number 4, we have the Deotherwatch DS-Tyke, a watch that can hack Wi-Fi networks. Marketed for testing security systems, its potential for illegal hacking led to its ban. Number 3. Cyclone Boot Knife. Number 3 is the Cyclone Boot Knife, a compact, tri-edged blade designed for self-defense. Its deadly design and ease of concealment made it too dangerous for Amazon. Number 2. Mini GPS Tracker. At number 2, we have the Mini GPS Tracker, a device for real-time tracking. While helpful for tracking valuables, its potential for stalking and invasion of privacy got it banned. Number 1. Lawmate Clip Camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lawmate Clip Camera, a hidden camera disguised as a clip. Perfect for covert recordings, but its potential for illegal surveillance made it too controversial for Amazon. So, which banned gadget blew your mind the most? Was it the fire-shooting drone, the Wi-Fi hacking watch, or the car key stun gun? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crazy tech content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Want to check out more forbidden gadgets? All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay safe.